now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it's safe to leave your seats, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as some items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you and remember that smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated area. If you're journeying in here at Heathrow or leaving the aircraft, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. And if you're connecting on to another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number. If it is not yet displayed, then please follow the purple signs to T5 or Terminals A gate or flight connection. Please be aware that all liquids, including contents from onboard meal tickets, will be screened prior to your next flight. To enable you to take these liquids onto your next flight, these items must be placed into a clear plastic bag, which are available at airport security. Customers who use the British Airways mobile app can receive connected gate information and boarding notifications if you have your device switched on. You can also connect using the free Wi-Fi offered by Heathrow Airport. As part of British Airways' ongoing commitment to the environment, all of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in London and wish those visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe forward journey. It's been our pleasure to serve you. We look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Thank you and have a good evening.